Received a VTC video file from a training course or e-learning platform? These are proprietary video files from the VTC Training Video Player. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play and convert these VTC Player video files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small VTC errors. Take a shortcut and download now. A VTC file is a proprietary encrypted video format used by the virtual training company, VTC, for its offline software tutorials. Users download these files to watch courses without an internet connection. The primary user intent is to play the video, which requires the specific VTC Player software due to DRM protection. The VTC format is a container designed for digital rights management, DRM. It wraps a standard video stream, such as H.264, in an encrypted layer. This binary structure prevents unauthorized playback or distribution, ensuring the content can only be accessed through VTC's proprietary player, which holds the decryption keys. The primary software for VTC is recognized as VTC Player, developed by Virtual Training Company. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows works well for playback, but not for editing workflows that need multiple tracks or effects. Open the context menu by right-clicking your VTC file and choosing Open With. Try VTC Player first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If your VTC file will not open yet, do not panic. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, playing in VTC Player. Install the VTC Player application from VTC Installation Media or Training Course Downloads. Launch VTC Player and use File then Open to load the VTC file. The player displays video with chapter navigation, note-taking, and playback speed controls designed for effective software training and tutorial consumption. Next, converting to standard formats. Use video conversion tools like Handbrake or FFmpeg to convert unencrypted VTC files to MP4 format. Run ffmpeg input.vtc, c copy output MP4 to remux the content. DRM-protected VTC files require authenticated playback through VTC Player and cannot be legally converted without proper licensing rights. Finally, extracting course information. Examine the VTC file structure using a hex editor to identify metadata sections containing course titles, chapter names, and lesson information. This information helps catalog training content even when video playback is restricted. The actual video data typically requires VTC Player or compatible decoders for proper decoding and playback. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.